I like this spot right here, like with you right in the center there. Do you want your jacket on? For now? For now, yeah. Okay. All right. So why don't you just start like, so when you pose, like you utilize like your shoulders. So yeah, like put your shoulders and then like move your hands around, like you put it on your hip, okay. Or like flick your hair back, okay. Anything like that. Okay. Oh yes, we can do that. I just got to get everything, like my settings set up, so you can take a moment. That looks really good. Beautiful. You can like look up and like look this way. Can you put your right hand like in your hair and kind of, yes, like that. That's really pretty. A little bit back like that. Perfect. This is pretty. Love that.
Oh, that's cute. I like that last one.
Can you use your right hand and like put it up to your chin? Yes, that's beautiful. Gorgeous. Let's try that. Yeah, and then you can like hold your wrist like this. Yeah, I like that. Can you like turn side to side with your hair and I'll Oh, that was a good one. I'll get a continuous one, so it'll be like a little video. Okay. On 1, 2, 3. There we go. Yes, that's beautiful. Can you do one like that, how you're doing, and then just close your eyes? Yes. Give like a big laugh. Yes. And then like look over your shoulder. Back up a little bit. That's beautiful. Do that one looking it down again. Yeah, I like this much better. This looks real. I like just the picture of the buildings in the background look really pretty. So you're gonna just walk a couple steps out and then turn behind just like that. Do you want motion in that image?
That doesn't have to be motion. I guess more so just for the close up.
Okay.
You know?
So yeah. Oh yes, beautiful. On the fence and not you, so let me just, I'm gonna like try to zoom in and make sure that it's focused on your face. Yeah, it's not. Okay. Using good old manual.
Wow.
I can do something where, you know that shallow depth of field that you get, that blurriness?
Yes.
So usually when you do like a wide shot, you don't get that as much. But I can do something where I stitch together the photos so it has that blurriness, but then it's still wider. Do you want to try that right here?
Sure.
So I'm just gonna need you to try to stay as still as possible. It's not a super big deal if you move a little bit. That's it.